So I just got the kids down for the night, and I am just taking a couple of minutes for myself. Part of my nighttime routine that I ensure that I never forget is the Ajara Rose and Sandalwood Eye Butter. And so you really only have to use a very small amount, and it doesn't leave a greasy residue. It's just a little treat for me, I guess, is the way that you can think of it. The scent is so relaxing and uplifting at the same time. I try to kind of avoid using it around my eyelashes, but move it all the way around the outside of my eye. And so that is kind of like the capper before I head off to bed, and I feel ready. My face feels rejuvenated and soft, and like I said, it's something that you definitely want to give a try, especially for these tired mama eyes. They're the babies.